Good day, mabuhay. We're the Group 1 and we've been tasked to talk about some challenges of the indigenous group, the Tagbanwa people. Now, who are the Tagbanwa people? The Tagbanwa are one of the oldest ethnic groups in Palawan, Philippines, famous for preserving their ancient pre-colonial scripts and being the first indigenous people to win a legal ownership on their ancestral waters. So, without further ado, let's dive into some challenges that they face in this modern world. Thank you.
This slide is about environmental challenge. Mining in Palawan reveals Tagbanwa ancestral lands through strip mining, which destroys sacred mountain forests, pollutes freshwater rivers with toxic silt, and suffocates the coral reefs, essential for their traditional fishing and food security.
Also, yung mga coral reefs natin dito sa Palawan, which is pinoprotektahan ng Tagbanwa, ng mga indigenous people, na yung mga coral reefs na yun, which is essential yun sa kanilang traditional fishing and food security. Dahil doon sila, number one, doon sila kumukuha ng pagkain nila sa araw-araw nila para makasurvive sila. And then, doon din yung mga traditional nila, which is yung Tagbanwa is known sila for their fishing. Kasi ginagamit nila yung fishing also for araw-araw nila na kabuhayan.
Climate change affected Tagbanwa by reducing fish, damaging farms, and disrupting the natural season they depend on for food and livelihood.
The slide illustrates a vicious cycle of poverty affecting the Tagbanwa people in the Philippines. Due to their geographic isolation and a declining environment, formal education becomes an unreachable luxury rather than a basic right. Without schooling, younger generations are forced to rely on dwelling natural resources for survival, effectively trapping them in precarious economic state with no clear way to break the cycle.
This slide is talk about the socio-cultural challenges. Socio-cultural challenges. The Tagbanwa face cultural erosion as modern lifestyle threaten their traditional identity, while discriminatory labor practices include them from local tourism profits.
Ang pinakalas na challenges na kinakaharap ng mga Tagbanwa ay ang socio-cultural, which is nakakaranas sila ng discrimination pagdating sa kanilang paniniwala at mga kasuotan. Kaya mas pinipili nilang manatili sa kanilang community, at dahil dun sa kanilang community sila nakakaranas ng discrimination katulad ng pangungot sa kanilang kasuotan at sa iba pang kanilang mga ginagawa.
Our conclusion is helping the Tagbanwa is about partnership and respect rather than charity. We protect their environment by upholding their ancestral rights against exploitation and fuel their economy by ensuring tourism and trade income goes directly into their hands. By honoring their sacred sites and traditional laws, we aren't just saving a cultural but supporting the rightful guardians of the lands.
So, kahit na may mga challenges na hinaharap yung mga indigenous people dito sa Palawan, specifically ang Tagbanwa, which is ang amin diniscuss na environmental challenge, economic and socio-cultural, we must know na and we must respect their tradition kasi may sarili-sarili tayong tradition, and also kailangan nating i-protect environment and kailangan din natin silang i-protect mismo since sila ang nagpo-protect sa ating environment, and meron din tayong mga nakukuha benefits dahil doon, and also meron silang mga benefits na nakukuha doon. For example, yung human survival nila sa pang-araw-araw. So, yun ang pinakaunang factors na nagiging way para mas mapaayos and ma-protect yung ating environment.